Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmic Green School, Thadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 8 maths, and our chapter is algebraic expression and identity. Student, you know our chapter 9 is already completed, but we have revised this chapter because this chapter is also uh, coming on your exam. Okay, so algebraic expression and identity. What do you mean by algebraic expression? And in this chapter, first of all we learn about algebra. So you know what is variable, what is constant. We have learned about variable and constant also in this chapter. So what is expression? When we talk about expression, so first of all, you know, in earlier classes we have already studied about algebra. In algebra, we know there are some constant and some variable also. What do you mean by variable? Variable means the condition of this variable is changed by condition to condition. Okay, and we denoted this variable as alphabet x, y, z, and so on. Okay, so this is called variable. What do you mean by constant? The value of constant is fixed, so we can say this is a constant. Suppose if there are any number 3, 4, 5, so that are called constant of the number. Okay, and what do you mean by expression? When we talk about expression, you can form many more expressions. Expression means what algebraic expression or simply expression are example x plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square or 4x5 plus 7 etc. are called expressions. Okay, understand? Now you know expressions are formed from variable and constant. Okay, the expression 2y minus 5 so is formed from the variable y and constant 2 and 5. मीन्स ये क्या होता है, कॉम्बिनेशन से मिलकर बना होता है, डेट इज कॉल्ड एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. Okay, the expression 4xy plus 7 is formed from variable x and y and constant 4 and 7. Okay, understand? With fixed value is called a constant. Okay, for example 4 minus 6 9 12, we can say that it's all are constant term. Okay, means जिस किसी की भी एक फिक्स वैल्यू होती है that is called constant. If I told about 6 or I will told about minus 12 or 4 or minus 5, that is called constant. Okay, understand? And what do you mean by variable? On the other hand, a quantity which can take various numerical value is called variable. Okay, these variables are represented by alphabets such as x, y, p, q, etc. Okay, understand? So in this chapter we have learned about the constant and variable. Okay, one of the basic characteristics of algebra is to use letter or combination of letter to represent number. The letter used to represent number are called variable. Okay, and the number themselves are termed as constant. For instance, x, y, z are variable and 3, 5, minus 2 etc. are constant. Okay, understand? So what is variable? Variable take different value in different condition. Okay, and we denote variable as a x, y, z. Okay, a, b, c, any alphabet you can take and write a variable. Okay, what do you mean by constant? That is which have constant value. Okay, अगर उसकी वैल्यू कांस्टेंट है सो वी कैन से that is constant. Okay, understand? So student, we have learned in our previous classes about algebraic expression and how to add or subtract them. Let us review. Okay, what is variable? So a quantity which take different numerical value in different expression is called a variable. Okay, a quantity which has a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Okay, so what is variable? A quantity which take different numerical value in different expression is called a variable. Okay, understand? So what is the definition of variable? A quantity which take different numerical value in different expression is called a variable. Okay, and a quantity which has a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Okay, understand? Means a quantity which has fixed numerical value is called constant. Okay, in the algebraic expression, अगर हम कोई एक्सप्रेशन की बात करते हैं, सपोज x+3 और 2y - 5 और 3x स्क्वायर और वी कैन से 4xy + 7 एक्सेट्रा, अगर ये algebraic एक्सप्रेशन है तो यू कैन from many more expression you have learned in previous classes. Okay, so as you know, expressions are formed from variable and constant. हम क्या बोलते हैं, जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो किससे फॉर्म होते हैं बच्चों? वेरिएबल एंड कांस्टेंट के कॉम्बिनेशन से. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड वी कैन से हियर the expression 2y - 5 is formed from the variable y and the constant 2 and 5. The expression 4xy + 7 is formed from variable x and y and constant 4 and 7. Okay, so we know that the value of y in the expression 2y - 5 may be anything. अब y की वैल्यू जो है इस एक्सप्रेशन में वो कुछ भी हो सकती है. इट कैन बी 2, इट कैन बी 5, इट कैन बी -3 और इट कैन बी 0, 5/2, 7/3, कुछ भी आप इसकी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. आप y की डिफरेंट वैल्यू के लिए इस एक्सप्रेशन को में रख करके y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, एक्चुअली काउंटलेस डिफरेंट वैल्यू. द वैल्यू ऑफ एन एक्सप्रेशन चेंज विद द वैल्यू चूजन फॉर द वेरिएबल इट कंटेन. ओके, जो वेरिएबल हमने उसमें लिया है उसके हिसाब से हम उसमें चूज़ करते हैं. दस एज वाई टेक ऑन डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑन द the value 2y - 5 goes on changing when y is equal to 2, when this expression having 2y - 5 that is 2 × 2 - 5 that is -1. when y is equal to 0 then y की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, पूरे एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू हो जाएगी, आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा -5. ओके, सो फाइंड द, अगर हम इसकी वैल्यू डिफरेंट रखते हैं तो हमें डिफरेंट उसके आंसर्स मिलते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ व्हाट इज टर्म? व्हाट अबाउट टर्म? सो स्टूडेंट, what about terms? Okay, a term is a variable, a constant, or the product of variable and constant. Okay, so we can say that it's a term. If we talk about 2y - 5, so here 2y and -5 is a term. Okay, so there are two terms. Okay, जब आप प्लस और माइनस, जब वहाँ पर प्लस और माइनस का साइन आ जाता है बीच में, तो हम वो बोलते हैं कि वो टर्म्स में बाइफरगेट हो गया, मीन्स टू टर्म्स हो गए डिफरेंट. ओके, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन इज नॉट डिवाइड द टर्म. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल, 3x². इफ यू टॉक अबाउट 3x², सो 3x² इज वन टर्म ओनली, मीन्स 3 × x × x. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है तो ये टर्म्स वन टर्म है ओनली. ओके, सेम अगर आप बात कर रहे हो 3/2 a²b, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वन टर्म. ओके, बिकॉज यहाँ प्लस और माइनस का साइन आपको नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दीज आर ऑल्सो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. ऑल दीज टर्म्स आर algebraic expression. The denominator of term in algebraic expression can be constant as well as variable. कांस्टेंट भी हो सकता है, वेरिएबल भी हो सकता है डिनोमिनेटर, बट हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, ये सारे के सारे एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन तो हैं, बट दस इन द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन द टर्म आर कनेक्टेड टुगेदर विथ एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एडिशन, ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन, देन एंड देन वी कैन से दैट देयर आर टर्म्स. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. जैसे सपोज see if the expression is 3x square plus 4xy minus 5y square, so these are different three terms. 3x square is one term, 4xy is one term, and minus 5y square is one term. Okay, understand? So these are the terms of the expression. Understand? Now what about coefficient? The numerical factor of a term is called coefficient. The numerical factor of a term is called coefficient. In the expression, अगर हम कोई एक्सप्रेशन लेते हैं, सपोज 2x³ प्लस 4x² प्लस x, so the coefficient of x³, if I talk about coefficient of x³, what is the coefficient of x³? coefficient means उसके साथ जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में नंबर है. सो x³ के साथ में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 2. सो 2 इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x², oh sorry, x³. Okay, and if I talk about what is the coefficient of x², so here 4 is the coefficient of x². what is the coefficient of x? so here nothing, कोई नंबर नहीं दिख रहा है आपको, तो what is the coefficient of x? that is 1. 1 is the coefficient of x. okay, understand? now like terms and unlike terms. what do you mean by like terms and unlike terms? so let's see. first of all, terms, factor and coefficient. so we talk about हमने बात करी अभी टर्म्स के बारे में. टेक द एक्सप्रेशन 4x + 5. दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 term 4x and 5. terms are added to the 2 from expression. terms themselves can be formed as a product of factors. okay, understand? now हमने बात करी न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट की और सिंपली कोफिशिएंट की. हमने अभी एक एक्सप्रेशन लिया जिसमें हमने उसके कोफिशिएंट बताया. x³ का कोफिशिएंट देखा, देन x² का कोफिशिएंट देखा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट और कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एनी टर्म. ओके, एनी वेरिएबल. ओके, द कोफिशिएंट इन, अगर हम 7xy की बात करें तो इसमें कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 7 इज द न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस टर्म. okay, -5x में what is the coefficient? -5 is the coefficient of 5, -5x. okay, understand? so this way we find the coefficient. now let's see, try this x² y². identify the coefficient of each term in this expression. so in this term, if I talk about in this term x² y², so what is the coefficient of x² y²? that is 1. 1 is the coefficient of x² y². okay, what is the coefficient of x² y? so x² y वाली टर्म कौन सी दिख रही है हमें? ये वाली. तो हम बोलेंगे -10 इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x² y. what is the coefficient of 5 xy²? so xy² का कोफिशिएंट क्या हो जाएगा? 5. okay, and what is coefficient, what is constant term? -20 is our constant term. okay, or you can say that x to the power 0 and y to the power 0. we know that if any number having power 0, so we can write it 1. okay, if any number having power 0, we can write it 1. okay, understand? so in this chapter we learn about variable, constant, terms and coefficient. okay, let's revise what is variable. so the one of the basic characteristics of algebra is to use letter or combination of letter to represent any number. okay, the letter used to represent number are called variable. okay, and the number themselves are termed as constant. okay, for instance, हम लिख सकते हैं एक्स वाई जेड आर वेरिएबल्स एंड 3, 5, -2 आर constant. Okay, now what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression are formed by combining variable and constant using the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, understand? So we can say अगर वो इन operations के साथ में variable और constant का अगर combination है, so we can say that it's an algebraic expression. Okay, understand? Now what do you mean by terms? A term is a variable, a constant or the product of variable or and constant. Okay, terms हम किसे बोलेंगे? The various part of algebraic expression are connected by plus or minus sign are called terms. Okay, understand? So again, what is algebraic expression? First of all, what is constant and variable? A symbol in algebra having a fixed value is called a constant, whereas a symbol which can be given and or assigned a varied number of value is called a variable. Okay, understand? Now variable, constant having fixed value. Okay, so that are called constant. Variable are generally represented by the letters, okay, of the English alphabet, that is x, y, z, a, b, c, etc. Okay, they can be assigned any value. ओके, कंडीशन टू कंडीशन क्या होता है, इनकी वैल्यू क्या होती है बच्चों, चेंज होती रहती है. ओके, नाउ एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट एंड वेरिएबल कनेक्टेड बाय द बेसिक mathematical operations such as plus and minus or division or multiplication is called an algebraic expression. Okay, such as 2x square plus 3xy plus 5. This is algebraic expression. xy upon a, this is also algebraic expression. Plus ab. Okay, अगर हम बात करें xy upon a plus ab, this is also algebraic expression. Okay, understand? Now if we talk about p square plus q square, this is also algebraic expression. Okay, all are the algebraic expression. Now what do you mean by terms? The various part of an algebraic expression are connected by plus or minus sign are called terms of the expression. Okay, suppose we can write 4xy plus 3x square plus 4y square हैज़ 3 टर्म्स. कौन कौन सी 3 टर्म्स यहाँ पर दिख रही है बच्चों? आपको दिख रही है 4xy इज़ 1 टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म, 3x स्क्वायर इज़ योर सेकेंड टर्म एंड 4y स्क्वायर इज़ योर थर्ड टर्म. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दीज आर कॉल्ड टर्म्स. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, algebra is form of generalized arithmetic. The rules and method of operation followed in arithmetic apply to algebra as well. We know that the number formed with the 10 digits means 0 and 9, 0 to 9. Okay, used in arithmetic are called constant. अगर हम कोई नंबर की बात करते हैं, so we can say that it's a constant. Okay, understand? In algebra. And in addition of constant, expression and statement in algebra also use variables represented by the letter of English alphabet. Yes, suppose a, b, c, x, y, z, etc. Okay, now algebraic terms, 7x cube y is an algebraic term if in which 7 is numerical coefficient of x cube y. Okay, if I talk about 7x cube y, अगर मैं इस टर्म की बात करती हूँ 7x cube y, so this is an algebraic term because this is combination of constant and variable. Okay, understand? So the numerical coefficient of this term is 7. अगर मैं इस टर्म की न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट की बात करती हूँ तो न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट होगा इसका 7. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ऑफ एक्स क्यूब वाई, 7 इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब वाई एंड एक्स क्यूब वाई इज द वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द लिटरल कोफिशिएंट. लिटरल कोफिशिएंट मीन्स 7 का जो न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट है इसका जो वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट है 7 का वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट कौन सा होगा बच्चों? एक्स क्यूब वाई. एक्स क्यूब वाई इज द वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ 7 मीन्स लिटरल और कांस्टेंट टर्म. यू कैन सॉरी और यू कैन से दैट न्यूमेरिकल जो नंबर है उसका कोफिशिएंट वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट कौन सा होगा? एक्स क्यूब वाई. एंड एक्स क्यूब वाई का न्यूमेरिकल कोफिशिएंट कौन सा होगा? 7. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो एंड व्हाट अबाउट द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस नंबर? अगर मैं 7x क्यूब वाई की बात करती हूँ तो व्हाट इज द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस 7x क्यूब वाई? सो लेट्स राइट द फैक्टर ऑफ 7x क्यूब वाई. 7x क्यूब वाई. सो 7 इंटू, अगर मैं इसके फैक्टर लिखने जाऊँ तो x कितनी बार है? x की पावर है 3, तो हम x लिखेंगे 3 टाइम्स इंटू वाई. सो दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 7x cube y. Okay, understand? Or we can write what are different factors. So we can write 7x y x square x cube x y x square y x cube y etc. are the factor of the algebraic terms. Okay, the sum of the exponent of indices of the variable is the degree of the algebraic term. Okay, understand? So what is the degree of this algebraic term? If I talk about 7x cube y, so 7x cube y में अगर मैं इसकी बात कर रही हूँ डिग्री की वेरिएबल, सी हियर some indices also and of the variable is the degree of the algebraic term. अब अगर हम इसकी डिग्री की बात करते हैं तो what is the degree of x? x की डिग्री दिख रही है 3, y की डिग्री, y के ऊपर कोई डिग्री नहीं है, that is 1. So degree of this expression is 4. Okay, understand? Algebraic term with the same variable coefficient are known as like term. Okay, अगर same variable coefficient है so हम क्या कहेंगे उसे? like terms कहेंगे. Algebraic term with different variable coefficient are known as unlike terms. Okay, understand? So what is like term? Algebraic term with the same variable coefficient are known as like term, and algebraic term with different variable coefficient are known as unlike term. Okay, understand? So these are like terms and unlike terms. Okay, understand? The term which have the same variable with the same power are called like term, or you can say that the term which have the same variable with the same power are called like term, or term that have different variable or power are called unlike terms. Okay, understand student? So these are like terms and unlike terms. So you can remember these terms. Okay, have a good day.